Oakland tobacconist, OGT Cigar Society. I've been getting a lot of requests. When are we going to be seeing what is coming for February? This is a project that has started some time ago, and it is one that I've been after for a long time. Just like the Rare Breeds Volume 2 Mr. Pinstripe, that Pennsylvania broadleaf was something that I had been wanting to use for a very long time, but just couldn't really find the right avenue and source Pennsylvania broadleaf. This time around, it's a new tobacco we've never used before. I've got to keep some of it a little bit on the down low, but I'm going to give you as much info as I can. Get ready, one and all, because you're about to see the OGT Cigar Society release for February 2025. Make certain that you do check out this cigar on social media. Follow us on social media, whether that's Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, wherever you might find Oakland Tobacconist or OGT Cigars. We would love to have you a part of the community, but you're also going to learn a lot about new cigars such as this one on that social media platform. And of course, don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe. Make certain you hit the bell so that you're alerted every time we produce new content. What a masterpiece. This is a cigar that has evaded me for some time. And finally, we have the opportunity to share it with all of you. Now, I've said it from the beginning, when it comes to the OGT Cigar Society, we want to make certain that we are furthering your cigar journey. And that's opening you up to new experiences, trying new cigars, maybe tobaccos, or maybe even vitolas that you might have not tried previously. If you've been following our channel, or if you're a part of the society, a part of our awesome growing community, first off, thank you guys so much. It's been great having you with us on this journey, but also you had the opportunity to smoke a size that gets sometimes a bad rep, and that of course is the Lancero. Year of the Nope Rope has gotten amazing reviews. Everyone seems to really dig it, especially in the expression of a Lancero. I know I do. I've smoked a lot of them. I enjoy a lot of them. I think they're gonna age well also, but just overall construction experience, Nope Rope really kicked us off big. Well, we're gonna follow that up this February with this new blend. Now, while the size may not be as extremely different as maybe some other sizes out there, the tobacco it uses somewhat is. So let me introduce you one and all for the OGT Cigar Society February 2025 drop, and that is the Elusive. The Elusive is a 5 1/4 by 56 box press, bigger gauge, box press version. The wrapper on this particular cigar is something I've never used before. We all really enjoy and have tried those amazing blends that are Corojo 99 or Nicaraguan Corojo, Aganorsa Corojo, or Ecuadorian Habano, such like that. They tend to be in our top favorites. This in particular seed varietal, where it's grown, what it is, I've never used before. Now, as a disclaimer, unfortunately, due to certain things going on behind the curtain, I can't really disclose what that wrapper leaf is, but I can tell you it is something I've never used before. It normally exhibits this sweetness, a little bit of like toasty almondy elements, and then also some peppery spice to it. There's a lot of dynamic journeys and flavor transitions within the tobacco of the cigar. And not many people have used this wrapper leaf, but I can't necessarily go into the detail. All I will say is, as it was requested, we don't disclose the wrapper leaf. But it is one that I have been after for a long time. After many requests, after many blends, we are finally able to get it. And so, Elusive stands for two things. One, the tobacco that I'm using on this cigar, and two, the name itself. There's such an aromatic room note. I was smoking this, testing out certain blends, and when I was testing it, my wife comes in and says, "Are you smoking a pipe?" And I said, "No." And she's like, "That smells like pipe tobacco. It's very aromatic." I was smoking the Elusive. At the same time, it's got dynamic sweetness. Retrohale brings cayenne pepper. It's also got some toasted, like I said, almonds or nuts, almost like a grainy element as well. So you have that sweet, that peppery, that grainy element, maybe some toasted bread as well. But then you also get that aromatic sweetness that is somewhat the room note. And so with all these different flavor notes, I'm not gonna lie, I was somewhat at a loss of what we call this particular cigar. But then, as my wife also suggested, well, this tobacco you've been trying to use for a long time. And also, the name of this is kind of pulling you in different directions. What about the Elusive? And that is how we got this cigar here. It is a beautiful presentation. That burn line is incredible. Overall, I love this cigar. The strength level of this is going to be medium, maybe edging medium plus. Body is full, flavor is full. And so you get that full mouth-watering experience. This is a limited run that we started last year, and I am so happy that we are now being able to share it for all of you. As usual, when we do a limited run through the OGT Cigar Society, there are not many spots available. If you're thinking about joining, check out this cigar, join and become a part of our membership. I cannot express how much I've been looking forward to trying this cigar with all of you guys and getting your feedback, because this is another step into that journey. This is trying that tobacco that maybe is somewhat different that you haven't tried before. To my knowledge, there's only 1 or 2 other people that use it. Hopefully, as it continues, we'll be able to disclose what that is. I can tell you though, this is rolled at one of my favorite Nicaraguan factories that's also gotten recognition on our top cigars, and that is Tabacalera Las Villas. They were responsible for brands like Renfield, Soul Collector, Year the Smoky Lizard, that continue to put out amazing things. We started this journey last year, and we're finally going to be able to offer it to all of you. 5 1/4 by 56 box press is the Elusive, using Nicaraguan binder, Nicaraguan fillers, and then that something something special wrapper that I'm so happy that I get to share with all of you. Try the Elusive, experience the sweetness, the spiciness, the toastiness, the chewy goodness of this cigar, also with that aromatic room note. As always, thank you for joining us. This is shipping out this week. Don't miss out. While spots are open on the Oakland Tobacconist Cigar Society, this is when you join. Thank you everyone for the support. Get ready one and all, because Elusive is being sent your way.